quick video on the replacement of a rear pinion seal. In this case, the rear axle, it's under a Jeep, a tricked out Jeep I've got. It's a Ford Sterling. Pretty sure it's a 10 1/4. It's kind of funny because I can't tell the difference between a 10 1/4 and a 10 1/2. I believe it's the same seal, but the culprit is water getting into the differential. It's on an angle, so it's not so much fluid leaking out, but rather water getting in and trying to address it. So the old seal came out pretty easy, flathead screwdriver. The issue that you'll always have is you can't just like put a block of wood to tap it into place because you have the splines and the output shaft. So a simple workaround, because it's a major pain in the neck to try and find that call it like adapter, be it like a ball press cup or a massive socket to go around there and only push around the edges. You probably have what you need right now in your toolbox. You go take a couple of 2x4s. Everybody keeps scrap 2x4s. Hole saw the diameter of outside of the ring, the O-ring, the seals. There's a spring inside there, but yet inside this lip, so the pressure is only going here. So the first stage of that is the larger hole, like that. Take another 2x4 little block, about 4 inches long. That accepts the spline. The spline will go through that, and these two get screwed together. And on top of that, a regular 2x4, all screwed together. I use like drywall screws. You can hit it here, 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 wherever you want, but it stays centered. Doesn't do any damage to this O-ring as it goes in. Here's the old one. It came out in one piece, but my issue was water getting in the differential. Hopefully this helps.